Yeah, I think there's a couple of issues. There's an Irish Mammy syndrome. You know, we were all told to get a good job, get work in the, get a good job in the bank or in the civil service or whatever the case was be. I don't think many Irish mammies tell their children to you know, set up your own business. But I think we're changing, and that's important. And certainly, I think we'll see more of it. And you know, we've had some fantastic results. You know, from Enterprise Ireland just announced their results yesterday. For the highest time ever, we've had more women entrepreneurs, which is really, really positive. And they actually have a higher success rate than men, because they tend to be more risk, or you know, less risk orientated, and you know, there's a lot of study on that. So I think yeah, there is the whole area of begrudgery, but also there's a whole area of fear. You know, in my previous career, I was, as you know, I was an accountant, and you know, we saw a lot of liquidations happen in the 2008, 2009. A lot of them not their own fault. You know, maybe people hadn't paid them and then they couldn't pay, and you know, we know what happened. But you know, I mean, it's very hard to stand up in front of creditors and tell them that you can't pay them. And I've seen, you know, I've seen too many grown men cry, you know, and it is very hard on people, you know. So I think, you know, I think we need to be more open. I mean, in America, it's a badge of honour if you fail. And I think we need to have more conversations about it, but I really think we need to bring it into the education system. That, like, if you do a degree, we'll say, so I trained to be an accountant. Nobody showed me how to run a business. You know, so all of that needs to be brought into dentists, doctors, no matter engineers, no matter what you do, that it's part, and I think in the US they have it, that a part of every degree you learn how to run a business, and I think that's something we could do. But there's a lot more we can do, and we will do it. And hopefully we'll see some of it in this year's budget.